Hi friends, recently I have added one desktop. So earlier I was doing all my jobs of executing my code, recording, developing everything on my laptop. So now I just added desktop. So and my main requirement was I should transfer my files between this, so I can work in any position other than my laptop or my desktop without every time updating my files manually. So for that purpose I have just first installed Python. So Python, I have just gone to Microsoft stores, and here you can see just search for Python, and after searching Python you can see all these are appearing. So whatever version you want or the date you are watching this one particularly, you can see a different version. Accordingly you just download it and install it. So nothing to be done in that. Simple download and install it. That's all. Now we'll go how I have set up my favorite IDE and what is that and why I am using that. We'll see that. Search for Visual Studio Code download and click here, and you are here. Download whatever you are based on your platform. Download it. Here we are. We have downloaded all our requirements. You can see whatever I have downloaded for this requirement, Google Drive. We'll see shortly why I am using this. And this is all my for editing purposes. And this is the Visual Studio stored setup file. So you can just go ahead like this. Check all these things is mostly required. Now go on next and install it, because I have already installed it. Nothing great in that. So you can just install it and leave it. We'll see how it will be integrated to Python now. Open your VS Code, what you have installed now. Now go for this extension tab. Now inside this extension tab you search for Python for VS Code. Now here it is. So the first one you see, it is already I have installed, that's why it's telling manage. Otherwise you will get an install button like this. So you can just install it and it will take care of your integration and all. So connected to your Python system, and your code will be integrated. Now close this. Let's start a new file. Sorry, here file, new file. Now select a language. Now I am saying it is Python I am writing, so I have to tell that. So I have given Python. Fine. Now I will say print now hello world. So this, but for me now the run button is not enabled because I have to save it for file save as. I am giving T4. I am storing it in Google Drive. That we'll see next how I am integrating. So that way this is available in my desktop as well as in my laptop. So fine, I am getting now this run button is there. Run Python file. Now I am running it. It prints me hello world. Now this particular file should be available with my laptop also, so I can directly, because this particular file whatever I have created is stored in my Google Drive. How you will install the Google Drive and connect it, we'll see that. Downloaded Google Drive for this for desktop, so installed it. Now I am connected. Now you can see here Google Drive is there for me. So based on my ID, it's running for me as additional drive. Now what I did is I kept all the Python codes in a Google Drive and opened to it from I have connected to the Google Drive in both in my laptop and desktop, and opened it in my Visual Studio Code. So in this right now I am having the whatever files I was using in my desktop. And important thing is, whenever I update any file here, the same file will be also available in my laptop automatically. But think that I must sync it, or I must update automatically. It happens, updation happens at the background. I should be connected to the internet. So at the end, if I am working on offline also, the moment I connect to the internet, it will update it. So that's the advantage. So that way I am having both the files, updated files always in my desktop and my laptop. There are different other techniques also, you may be using them for your cases. So that's all. I just want this few update to be given, and I am working on it. So I will be updating you if future any better way of handling it, and if you have anything or any better way to handle this and your comment. But I can tell you, still I am a fan of using the Colab platform for the beginners, because using Colab you need not install anything. Your entire documents will be on the drive on the cloud platform. So Colab is a better for the beginners, and even if for advanced users you can connect to SQLite, you can connect to MySQL database, everywhere you can connect it. So there is no problem in working. Only thing, when I faced Kinter, when I started working on Kinter, then I had to come back to desktop because it's a cloud platform. I cannot have a screen output from the cloud platform, though there are some ways are there, but that's not the way why you to spend some time on that and come to the desktop application, because we are using desktop application in Kinter. So if you are not working in Kinter, then you go for I'll say Colab platform. There is a tutorial on how to work on Colab platform. I will post the link here, and that's all. Please subscribe to our channel and post your comments, views, everything here. So, and press the bell icon so you will be notified. And thank you for watching.